Gusto mong kumita ng malaki ngayong 2025? Learn these AI and tech skills, kahit hindi ka IT expert. Hi guys, welcome back to Alam Na This. Dito, we talk about money, freelancing, and side hustles for Filipinos. Today, I'll share 5 high-income tech and AI skills you can learn this 2025, kahit beginner ka pa lang. No-code automation. Imagine creating workflows without coding. No-code tools let you automate tasks using drag-and-drop apps. You can connect apps like Gmail, Notion, or Google Sheets automatically. For example, using Zapier or Make.com, you can automate reports, social media posts, and even client updates. Companies pay freelancers $30K to $120K monthly for automation setups. It's super in demand now kasi businesses want to save time and money. Quick tip: start with free tools like Zapier, Notion, or N8N.io. Then offer automation setup services on Upwork or onlinejobs.pho2. AI prompt engineering. This is the skill of giving AI the right instructions. Basically, you help businesses use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini effectively. You write prompts that generate quality content, code, or images. Globally, AI prompt specialists earn $25 to $100 per hour, and you can start even if you're not a programmer. For example, social media managers use prompts to write captions fast. Writers use AI to summarize or translate. Even small businesses use it to create ads and emails. Quick tip: practice on ChatGPT daily. Observe which prompts give you the best outputs, then document your style. Data analysis and visualization businesses are drowning in data, but few know how to read it. That's where data analysts come in. They find patterns and insights using tools like Excel, Power BI, or Python. In the Philippines, entry-level analysts earn $40K, $80K. Freelancers abroad can earn $20, $60 per hour. You can start small by learning Google Sheets formulas and dashboards. Then move up to SQL or Python for advanced projects. Quick tip: use YouTube or Coursera's free Data Analytics for Beginners course. Practice by analyzing your own spending or TikTok metrics. AI video and content creation. AI tools are changing how videos and graphics are made. You can create full social media content without showing your face. Tools like Pika Labs, Runway ML, or Synthesia let you make videos with AI. While Canva Magic Studio and CapCut AI make editing super fast, freelancers charge $2K, $10K per video using these tools. Some even build YouTube channels using only AI-generated content. Quick tip: start with one niche, like faceless TikToks or explainer videos. Use free AI tools and templates to create your first samples. Chatbot building and AI assistance. Ever chatted with an online bot that answers questions instantly? That's built by someone who knows chatbot automation. You can create bots using Chatbase, ManyChat, or BotPress, and connect them to websites or Facebook pages. Businesses love this because it saves time and replies to customers. 24/7 chatbot creators can earn P50K, P200K per project. You don't need coding. Just learn to design conversation flows. Quick tip: start with ManyChat for Facebook. Then try Chatbase for custom AI bots using ChatGPT. Quick recap. So here are the 5 high-income tech and AI skills for 2025. No-code automation AI. Prompt engineering, data analysis, AI content creation, chatbot building. All these can be learned for free online and can help you earn locally or abroad. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Check the description for links to free AI courses and beginner tools. Remember, skills are the new currency. The more you learn, the more you earn. This is Alam na This, helping Filipinos level up, one skill at a time. See you in the next video.